All right, welcome back, everybody. Spring is usually a time for renewal and refreshing things in our lives. It can also be a great time to make a change, especially when you want to make some money.
Yeah, who doesn't want to make some money?
I want to make some money.
Me too. That extra cash comes from how you save, though. You got to be really careful with that. And that's why we have John Holt, the CEO and president of Nutmeg State Financial Credit Union, here to tell us more. Hi, John.
Hey, how are you?
Welcome
Johnny,
back.
good to see you.
Good to see you both.
How you been?
Good. You?
How's the credit union?
It's going very well.
Good.
Things are looking good.
All right, so talk to us about, how you can join by joining Nutmeg State Financial Credit Union. How does it benefit a person?
Yeah, so I always appreciate these types of questions. So it's a not-for-profit. What does that mean to anyone out there? It's people versus profit. So banks have to cater to shareholders. We don't. So any of the money we make goes back into the pot, if you will, to pay higher rates on deposit accounts, lower rates on loans, and little to no fees. But the structure and the look of things looks very similar to a bank. So we're people-driven, where in most cases banks are profit-driven because they have to make a return for their shareholders.
Absolutely.
Right.
Credit unions have to make a return for you and me.
They're literally working for you.
Yes.
Literally.
You're working for the man and the woman.
That's exactly.
I love it. Now, what does it cost to join? $5?
It's a $5 and
Minimum fee.
Yeah, and it's just to open the savings account,
Right.
and then you have access to all these benefits. And again, we're local too. I said, so our office is down the road from here in Rocky Hill. We have 10 branches throughout the
Where I went
state.
to pay off my car loan.
We've heard that. It's time to
Yes,
get a
we've
new
heard
one.
that.
And I got my title in the mail the other day from Nutmeg. I was very excited about that.
Oh, we
feels
have
good.
to work on this.
We do. I know. You want to pay off my car loan, right? You want to pay? Come on. Spread the wealth a little bit, Scotty. What kind of difference in interest rates can those who go to a credit union see?
Well, Stu, right now we're doing an amazing CD offer as just a good example. It's a 4.75% for 11 months, but you can get the 5.50 with just a relationship with Nutmeg, which isn't difficult. And it really requires a direct deposit into an account or making a payment from a loan through one of our accounts, if you have an auto loan with us or a personal loan, and that's really it. So we're looking for a little bit of a relationship at Nutmeg, and we're going to reward you for that relationship by going to 5.50% for 11 months.
I will marry Nutmeg for that interest rate.
I mean, it's pretty good. And then
That's
it's
great.
it's 11 months, so if rates go up, it's not too long, and then you could reinvest it,
Right.
or you have that money in there for that 11 months at that great rate.
What if you have a relationship with the bank? Say I have a savings in a checking account, and I want to put some money into a CD. Is that an option for
Oh
me?
yeah, and you can actually do it online. So you log into your account,
wow.
there's open a CD on the sidebar there, and then it'll just automatically open it for you. It'll actually pull the money from an account you have at Nutmeg or somewhere else. Very easy to do.
I don't think people understand the benefits of a CD. How many people out there have their money just sitting in a savings account? You have your life savings. You know you're not, obviously you want that emergency stash, but you also know that you're probably not going to be tapping into a big chunk of it. In that 11-month, it's kind of non-committal in the sense that it's not years where it's locked into a CD.
But yet it's there, so you can't really touch it.
Right.
And then you accumulate that interest over the 11 months. And you could break it, but there's a penalty. So it's a behavioral modification. So leave this here at this higher rate for 11 months or whatever term it is to earn more money.
Is there a minimum to put into a CD?
$1,000.
That's it.
All right. I mean,
$1,000.
and that's free money.
Free money.
Free money that you're making.
And those rates haven't been like this in a long time.
Right.
So to the public out there, we can open the account online. You can call us. And by the way, all of our folks in the contact center are here in Rocky Hill.
Which is
awesome.
great.
Everyone's local, even if you call.
One more
you're
quick
local
question.
too, yeah.
Is there a max amount of what you can put in?
No, but the more the better.
Yeah, 5% return for 11 months?
Spoken like a true president.
And by the way, it's insured up to $250,000.
Okay.
All of the CD or any deposits are insured, and we can break down accounts. So if people come in with a lot of money, millions, we can break those accounts down down so that they're all covered by that insurance.
A problem
Wow.
I probably won't have to worry about. Thank you, John. Thank you. We appreciate
Thank you,
it.
John.
Thank
Great
you.
to see you. And if you want more information about becoming a member and the extra money that you could be earning with a CD, as you just heard, you can scan the code right there on your screen or go to nutmegstatefcu.org. Again, they have 12 branches across the state as well.
Unbelievable. I'm like leaving the show today and going. I can go to the office, right?
I know.
Yeah.
All right.
I almost fell off the couch when you told me about the interest rate.
Unbelievable. All right. How you